I have got some disability for you tonight. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. There is a new place called Recess that is opening on the Upper East Side on 81st between 2nd and 3rd. And y'all, I got to go by there today. It is going to be awesome. They are primarily focusing on like intellectual and learning disabilities, social disabilities, and they are going to have cooking classes. They're going to have art classes. They're going to have social groups where you can play games and stuff. They're going to have an awesome fitness program, and they are already accepting enrollment. It opens on March 6th, and they're going to do like 5-week intervals. So you sign up for like a 5-week course, I guess we would call it, and they'll only have groups of 5 in the different age. They're going to divide it by different age groups, and they'll kind of, they're going to talk to you and find out what your child is like and figure out which group would be best. And the beauty of it is both of these ladies are fully immersed in the disability community. One lady, her daughter has a disability, and the other one is from Australia and has actually created her and her husband created an autism fitness program in Australia, and they went all over and like trained different instructors to implement this curriculum and then brought it to the schools. I mean, really knowledgeable. This is what we want. We want people that know what y'all's needs are and can understand and will listen to you and really take the time to figure out what's going to work best for your child and what you want to get out of the program for your child. So really excited about this. It's a great spot. They've got really big plans for this. Once it gets going, they even have like a little backyard area, I guess we'll call it, that they've got plans for that. It's a great space. And again, it's on 81st between 2nd and 3rd. Very, very nice. They will answer any questions that you have. Go to their website, recessues.com, and you can check it out and see what the different offerings are. And then they also have an Instagram, recessues. So go check them out. I really am excited. They're also working to accept self-direction, which is great because they're going to serve children on up to adults, I believe around 22 years old. So it's really great, and I can't wait to see when they open. I'll have to go back and give you a tour. So wish them luck. Check it out. Go ahead and reserve your spot. Recess, Upper East Side. Bye.